How to track your recovery progress within Groups app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to track your recovery progress within Groups app. So let me remind you that the Groups app itself doesn't have a built-in recovery progress tracking features. So you might want to use other applications which supports it, because it can be used in conjunction with other apps and tools designed for addiction recovery to help monitor your progress. So first way to do that is by leveraging the Groups app for support through community accountability and information sharing. And second method you can do that is by integrating with recovery specific apps such as Sober, Grid, the Recovery Box, the Connection app, We Connect, etc. And similarly, if you want to track or if you want a tracking specific progress, you can just use applications such as habit trackers or goal trackers, which are easily available for your devices, and you can just download and use apps like these to monitor your healthy habits that support your recovery, such as exercise, healthy eating, sleeping, and discuss your progress and challenges with these habits within the Groups app. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.